Here's 5 things that you can look at to ensure your cash balance is healthy. 1, know your numbers. Know your bank balance and add in your creditors and debtors. 2, have a routine or a process or a practice of following up debtors. That's people that owe you money. 3, know your margins. Don't sacrifice your business on pricing. Know your break even. 4, have good arrangements with your suppliers. Understand that our suppliers are an extension of our business. They're like our external team. I've talked about this before. We have our internal team, which is people within our business, and then we have our external team, which could include manufacturers, height access, financial accounting, bookkeepers, whoever they may be. They are our external team because they're part of our team that make our business work. So that's 4. And 5, run your business lean. Don't overextend. Don't starve your business of cash. So that's the top 5. Be well, stay good, and see you on the interwebs. Bye.